go.
That's what you love about ABS-CBN. You know, they got class, they got style, and they got a handsome and beautiful people.
Yes, and of course they have Ronnie Nathaniel joining me here. Ang po si Ed Tolentino. At itong bakbakang Villanueva versus Badillo.
Badillo now moving to the southpaw stance, then he goes back to orthodox. Nobody wants to confuse Villanueva.
If you're a two-fisted knockout puncher, beautiful straight combinations mula kay Villanueva.
Si Villanueva must not be carried away kasi a good combination again by King Arthur. He wants to prove I am the king. Good body by Badillo.
Pero maganda rin ang depensa ni Villanueva, no? 1-2, he steps back, and then cover up agad.
That last fight against Demesilio was a good test for him because now he's being attacked by his coming forward.
Demesilio, yung kanyang huling laban, landed some wicked body blows.
Yes.
And Villanueva survived it to win by decision. Itong nakaraang April lamang po yan.
Si Villanueva is outboxing him, but Badillo, maganda yung lakas ang suntok niya para sa katawan.
Oo, yun yung sinasabi natin, yung mga body punches. Alam niyo po, ang body punches ay isang investment. Hindi po yan makikita sa opening rounds, but in the latter part ng laban, nagtitake effect po yan. Bagay magandang investment. May dividendo in the second half. At isa pang umpugan.
Time!
And blood is oozing out from that hideous cut of Arturo Badillo. Again, Doctora May Cortez looking at that cut. Blood on the canvas.
Okay pa.
And referee May Cortez says,
Okay, Doc.
pwede pa?
Okay.
Kasi
Ready.
the forehead will not
Box.
bother you a cut, but it bleeds a lot, so you get parang misimpression.
Oo, kaya kung kumbaga maaalarma ka. If, that's a little low.
Time.
And then you can hear the corner of Badillo. They're asking for a point
Next
deduction.
low blow.
Punto.
Point deduction. Clear, ha?
And a warning. Referee Taplasan,
Stay there.
naman. Sabi niya, isa pa.
Next low blow,
Ay,
one
kakwentusan
point
kita.
Tama naman si Dan
Timing.
Taplasan.
Box.
Here we go. Tuloy po ang aksyon. Round number 3 po tayo. Villanueva in the red trunks. Badillo in the black trunks. With the Mexican colors.
Badillo is a fighter. Hindi natin ako, pero hindi yung kaya ni Villanueva. One-two combination.
The problem with Villanueva, he throws that right hook with such force na dadala yung kanyang ulo. Kaya nagkakaumpugan.
Ready. Warning, ha? Warning. Punto. Ready, box.
Badillo, gusto niya make this a street ball, waterfront brawl. Oh, good left by Villanueva.
Good left jab by Villanueva. Badillo putting a lot of pressure. Those body blows are wicked from Badillo.
Very good left by Badillo.
Another right to the body by Badillo. Good uppercut and left by Badillo. Solid blows by Badillo.
And Villanueva getting caught with series of punches.
Time!
There's too many good-looking guys around me. Talon-talo tayo.
Oo nga.
Pero yun ang gusto ko sa ABS-CBN sa Peter Musli. Madala yung magandang round. Good.
But there's a big right hand by Villanueva hurting Badillo. Delayed effect.
Oh,
And Badillo in trouble.
Down!
And he goes down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Está bien, camina.
Villanueva was, I think, getting frustrated. Sabi, tapusin nito. Beautiful slide by Villanueva.
Villanueva all over Badillo like sauce on spaghetti.
Ah, and Badillo looks like a spaghetti now.
No punch.
Nakakatakot lang dito. Villanueva might punch himself out.
Yeah.
He wants to finish off, but the
Oh,
big right hand.
beautiful right hand. He has
Badillo.
started-
Getting hammered on the left by Villanueva. Villanueva
Right
virtually
straight.
tattooing Badillo.
You know, Tapdasan might decide to stop this fight unless Villanueva punches himself out. He's got him on the ropes in the corner.
Ipit na po sa corner. King Arthur letting it all hang out. What a fight.
The king is raining right now. Raining blows on Badillo.
Abay ang mga suntok ni King Arthur, yung mga Excalibur na yan. And referee Tapdasan keeping a close watch. Badillo covering up, but not enough.
You know, he's not throwing
He's no
any
longer
punches
fighting
back.
back.
He's not fighting back.
What a big round. What an explosion mula kay Villanueva. Another right hand. And referee Tapdasan stopping it. And let's turn you over to Ted Lerner para sa official announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Rex Tapdasan stops the fight. The time, 2 minutes and 3 seconds of the 4th round. The winner by technical knockout, and now WBO Asia Pacific Super Flyweight Champion, and still undefeated at 23-0 from the Philippines, King Arthur Villanueva.